Go to the Aboki man. Dollar now is 580. Last year dollar was 400.
Nigeria is not for us.
If you had bought $1,000 last year, by this year you're having close to $1,500 in naira value, if you know what I mean. That's a commodity. Hi, my name is Felix Akombi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be discussing the 4 assets that can make you rich. There are 4 different assets you can venture into and make you very rich. Even if you can do 2 among these 4, you're going to be very, very rich. Please subscribe and turn on notification for more content. Thank you. So the first one is starting a business. Starting a business can change a lot of things for you. The goal of starting a business is to generate money. If you start doing what you love to do best, you make more money, it's become less stressful for you. Take for instance, you love taking photographs. You can start a photography business, or you like serving people in an event, an usher. You can open an ushering venture, and with that you start making money. So with business, you can make income, you can make extra money for yourself, and with that's an asset for you. Take for instance Facebook, Apple, Google. These are different business ventures that are making money for them. So with business you can do a lot for yourself. The next one is commodity. With commodity you can make a lot of money. What's commodity? Take for instance oil and gas. Gold is a commodity. These are very precious stones that you can always convert to money and to give a lot of value. You can always buy gold from the Aboki man that sell gold on the road. You can buy those small golds, you can buy different amount of gold and keep them. Today's generation, they said that foreign currency is also now an asset class and it's a commodity. You could definitely keep dollars. Like I always tell you, my channel, always save dollar. It's not bad for you to start buying the Aboki dollar. Go to the Aboki man, tell him you want to buy his dollar. $1, $2, $3, $4. Buy them, keep them. Dollar now is 580. As of last year, dollar was 400. That's a commodity. If you had bought $1,000 last year, by this year you're having close to $1,500 in naira value, if you know what I mean. Dollar to naira is a commodity. You can always buy dollars. The next one, paper. For instance, stock market, cryptocurrency. Yes, cryptocurrency. You should know by now, if you follow my channel, that I love cryptocurrency a lot. This is where you do what? Trade money. That's an asset class, and you can make a lot of money if you actually make findings on how to do it. Find out how cryptocurrency works. Good for you. I actually have a cryptocurrency class that happens every month and it's free, so you can get to know about cryptocurrency for yourself. That's an asset class that can generate more income for you. If you can do forex, good for you. A lot of profit for you, then you can start generating more income with that. It's very important to understand that part of it also. Number 4 is real estate. Now, real estate is one big platform that everybody is going into big time. Take for instance Robert Kiyosaki, writer of Rich Dad Poor Dad. He said his poor dad told him to go to school, but his rich dad told him to start buying properties. With buying the properties, knowing that in few years to come, the property is going to increase in value. Now you're making profits and it's an asset for you. So you can buy low and sell high. For instance, you bought a property for 1 million naira last 2 years, and this year is 5 million naira. You're making 4 million naira profit as interest. Find out how much property you can buy now. The property you can buy, you don't have to pay instantly. You can pay instrumentally. So start venturing into real estate. Buy properties as much as you can. There are properties as low as 100,000 naira, 300,000 naira, 400,000 naira, 500,000 naira, depending on the location of where you're buying from, and you can pay instrumentally. These are platforms. These are what people are doing that they're not telling you. You can make a lot of money for yourself, and actually it's not really that easy to venture into real estate. You have to make proper findings. That is why you need to understand that before you take any step in terms of investment and asset building, you need to make proper findings before you take any step. So real estate can do a lot for you, but sometimes you can buy the wrong properties. So making findings and knowing people who have done real estate before do you a lot of good and will avoid you from making a lot of mistakes. Please subscribe and turn on notification for more content. Thank you.
Hand up. You don't forget, Baba. You don't forget. Baba, hold me for hand. Baba said, "Dear Jesus,
Dear Jesus,
I accept you as my Lord and personal Savior."
I accept you as my Lord and personal Savior.
Anything with Ifa,
Anything you do,
I don't get hand inside again.
I no get hand inside.
In Jesus' name,
Amen.
you sabi amen. Okoko.